Good morning, friends. Yes, you saw correct on the thumbnail. After 1st June 2020, Form 26AS, also called Tax Credit Statement, will be discontinued by government and new annual information statement will take place as per Section 285BB. Friends, if you are new on my page, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please press bell icon and select also that you can get notification of all video I upload in future. In the budget 2020, government has proposed to rationalize the provision regarding the uploading of Form 26 so as to include all the prescribed information related to sale or purchase of shares, debenture, immovable property, etc. as against present case wherein it was limited to only tax-related information. Currently, under Section 203A, income tax authorities provide tax-related information, including details of tax deducted at source or tax collected at source, to an assessee electronically through Form 26AS. It is now proposed to drop this mechanism. A new mechanism will be introduced under which an annual statement of tax-related information together with other financial information such as shares, properties, etc. of the assessee will be uploaded to a registered account of the assessee. New format is not yet specified by Income Tax Department, but it will come soon. This change will be effective from 1st June 2020. Compliance portal can be accessed through following steps. Step 1. Visit compliance portal at https://compliance.insight.gov.in or at the URL http://incometaxindia.filing.gov.in. Please remember that login to the portal is a precondition to visit compliance portal. On the left sidebar of the homepage, click the login button available in the login section. Web address of both websites I will give on video's description, so you can check this later also. Step 2. User will be redirected to the e-filing portal. User can also use the URL https://incometaxindia.filing.gov.in to access e-filing portal. Step 3. For registered users, log in using your user ID and password. For new users, click Register yourself and perform the subsequent steps to register with e-filing portal. Step 4. A. Once logged into e-filing portal, click My Account and then select Compliance Portal. The taxpayer gets redirected to the Compliance Portal. B. The user can also click Compliance on toolbar and then select Compliance Portal. The taxpayer gets redirected to the Compliance Portal. Step 5. The landing page on successful login will be displayed. This form will again get updated with TDS and other necessary details. Let's check the budget papers to get more clarity on the subject. This is a budget speech. Please see here. It is proposed to rationalize the provision regarding the uploading of Form 26AS so as to include all the prescribed information. Also, check in the Finance Bill, Section 203 of the Income Tax Act shall be omitted with effect from the first day of June 2020. Section 203 is the section which says about Form 26AS. Finally, for details here is a memorandum to the Finance Bill, 2020 rationalization of provision relating to Form 26 as Section 203 of the Act, inter alia, requires the prescribed income tax authority or the person authorized by such authority referred to in subsection 3 of Section 200 to prepare and deliver a statement in Form 26AS to every person from whose income the tax has been deducted or in respect of whose income the tax has been paid, specifying the amount of tax deducted or paid. Means as per Section 203A, income tax officer and person who is authorized by IT department under subsection 3 of Section 200, like deductor or collector, has a right to prepare and deliver a statement in Form 26AS to every person from whose income TDS has to be deducted and paid to government treasury account. They have to show the amount of TDS and their respective amount. Thereafter, the Form 26 as prescribed in the rules, inter alia, contains the information about tax collected or deducted at source. However, with the advancement in technology and enhancement in the capacity of the system, multiple information in respect of a person such as a sale purchase of immovable property, share transactions, etc. are being captured or proposed to be captured. In future, it is envisaged that in order to facilitate compliance, this information will be provided to the assessee by uploading the same in the registered account of the assessee on the designated portal of the Income Tax Department, so that the same can be used by the assessee for filing of the return of income and calculating his correct tax liability. So here they mean to say, as India is in the path of technological advancement and the capacity of our system has also been enhanced, the government wants to capture more and more data from the assessee and not just want to stick with tax-related information only. So, in future, they are planning to build a system wherein they will be able to collect and store all information like information related to tax, shares, debenture, property, etc. in one place, i.e. assessee's registered account at e-filing portal, so that all tax-related compliance can become smooth and efficient. This all will help assessee to accurately file his return of income and calculate correct tax liability. As the mandate of Form 26 as would be required to be extended beyond the information about tax deducted, it is proposed to introduce a new Section 285BB in the Act regarding the annual financial statement. This section proposes to mandate the prescribed income tax authority or the person authorized by such authority to upload in the registered account of the assessee a statement in such form and manner and setting forth such information, which is in the possession of an income tax authority, and within such time as may be prescribed. Here it is important to note that for the purposes of this section, I mean Section 285BB, registered account, means the electronic filing account registered by the assessee in the designated portal, that is, the web portal designated as such by the prescribed income tax authority or the person authorized by such authority. Consequently, Section 203 is proposed to be deleted. These amendments will take effect from 1st June 2020. Means 26AS will be deleted and the annual information statement will be inserted with effect from 1st June 2020. That's it. Friends, I hope you liked this video. Please share your valuable suggestions in the comment box below, and don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.